Salve, and welcome to Learning Latin with Virgil, Latin Lesson 1. We shall begin by introducing some of the stars of Virgil's epic poem, the Aeneid. This is a star, and the word for star is stella. We'll come back to that a little later on. Here is Virgilius, known to us as Virgil. He is the author of the epic poem. And here, depicted on a Roman coin, is Aeneas, the hero of the story. Here he is leaving Troy. He has his father on his back, and he holds in his hand the Trojan gods that he is going to find a new home for. And he's ready to get into a ship and sail off in search of a new homeland. We can see the word Kaiser or Caesar printed on the side of the coin. Here is a statue of Juno, the goddess, who plays such a large role in the story of Aeneas. And here is Dido, the queen of Carthage, whom Aeneas meets and falls in love with on his travels. Here are a couple of nouns that sound a bit like stella: poeta, naurta, dea, regina. Why are they a bit like stella? Because they all end in the letter A. This is actually quite important. It means that they belong to the first group of nouns, or the first declension of nouns. How many declensions are there? There are 5. These words mean poeta, poet, naurta, sailor, dea, goddess, regina, queen. Est, a very important word. It is best translated into the English is. Virgilius est poeta. Aeneas est naurta. Juno est dea. Dido est regina. Here are Marcus and Melissa. Quis. This is what we call a question word. It means who. Here are 2 verbs, rogart et respondet. Rogart means he or she asks. Respondet means he or she replies or responds. Marcus rogart, quis est Virgilius? Melissa respondet, Virgilius est poeta. Marcus rogart, quis est Aeneas? Melissa respondet, Aeneas est naurta. Ne. Ne is placed on the end of the first word in a question, if it isn't a question word like quis. Marcus rogart, est ne Juno dea? Melissa respondet, Juno est dea. Marcus rogart, est ne Dido dea? Melissa respondet, minime, Dido est regina. Hic, hike. 2 words that are best translated as the English word this. Why 2 words? Hic is used when talking about a word that is masculine. Hike when talking about a word that is feminine. Hic poeta est Virgilius. Hic poeta est Ovidius. Hic naudata est Aeneas. Hic naudata est Columbus. Haec Dea est Juno. Haec Dea est Venus. Haec Regina est Dido. Haec Regina est Victoria. Quis est hic poeta? Hic poeta est Virgilius. Quis est hic poeta? Hic poeta est Ovidius. Est ne hic naudata Aeneas? Hic naudata est Aeneas. Est ne hic naudata Aeneas? Minime, hic naudata non est Aeneas? Hic naudata est Columbus. Quis est haec Dea? Haec Dea est Juno. Quis est haec Dea? Haec Dea est Venus. Est ne haec Regina Dido? Haec Regina est Dido. Est ne haec Regina Dido? Minime, haec Regina non est Dido. Haec Regina est Victoria. In Lesson 2 we'll answer the question, Ubi est Roma? For now I'll leave you with today's sententia. Aqua est vita. Water is life. Vale.